in this video I want to present you a piano method which I like a lot, which is called Pianoforall. So just take care, because there are several versions. There is a version on Udemy, for instance, and so this one is on pianoforall.com. I will put a link in the description. So the way it works, it's a series of ebooks actually that you download. It's not properly online, don't need to be connected to use it. So that's, I think, quite interesting, because you can download them on your device, on your computer, and then you don't need to be connected again. So it's quite convenient, I think. So let's have a look to the different books. So I have this method myself. So you have 10 books actually, because you have the 6A and 6B. So you see the first one is really to get you started. It's really start from scratch. You don't need to know anything about playing the piano to use it. And then it goes to blues, rock and roll, more about chords, because it's a basic of a lot of music. So I totally agree with Rubin, the guy, very nice guy who made this method. So you have a lot about chords, and then you have application in different styles like ballad style, jazz, even jazz, which is usually seen as something very complex, and it can be, of course, but it's not that inaccessible. So this method makes the thing quite easy. You have more blues, more advanced blues, and even classical piano music. Okay, and you have the 9th book is more about learning, so it's more complement. So let's have a look how it works. So the first book, so let's go into the beginning. So it explains you, okay, the basic is really to have a foundation. So the first 4 books are to get foundations on how to play chords, how to play melodies, rhythm. There is nice exercises about rhythm. And after you dive into more detail in different styles. So what I like about this method is that you have the basics. Okay, you have a good foundation. You use ear training, you use visual help, you'll see there are videos, and you also learn how to read music notation. So it's very complete and very progressive, and it's very clear. So I really like it a lot. It's really, I think, my favorite of all the methods that you can use to study the piano by yourself. So yeah, you can go in more detail in different styles. I already mentioned that. And then the idea is that once you have studied all this, well, there is no limit. You just keep practicing and learning, and you can apply that to anything. So it's a premise of this method, but I really think that's the case. So if we go a bit more in detail, so let's say here you see it's very clear layout with explanation, even how to find the middle C. So very first things you learn on the piano, notes. I won't detail, I mean, just to give you some insights how to use your hands. And what you will see is that you have the possibility to play some audio. Okay, it's really included in the ebook. So to play different chords, and you also have videos. So I have to move that a little. So your videos included.
Rhythm 1, left note,
to
right chord.
Show you. So you have this visual
left note,
learning.
Right chord.
Okay, how to play different
the root
chords.
of the chord.
So it's really complete, and it goes on and on. You have, and for each lesson, you have examples of songs, actual songs that are based on what you just learned. So it's really applied, very, very theory, but it's very practical also. So it's quite balanced for all things. You have some rhythm, you see some introduction to the staff, the musical notation. So you will learn that little by little very easily, and you can jump in different lessons. So you see even for first book there are a lot of things, but well, simple. Each page is made to be quite simple. I know you see it goes to quite nice rhythms. So yeah, this is the first one, and if we go, the layout will be the same for the different books, more or less. So this one is really specialized for blues. So you see examples, you can see on the videos. So yeah, boogie, shuffle, you have really a lot of things, and you can go, maybe we can have a look to the jazz. Okay. So you learn how to play basically everything you can really expect to learn on the piano. If we go to the classic, for instance, you have very traditional composer like Chopin. What we have here is Bach. Okay, you can learn famous. It's beautiful. I love classical music, so it's really beautiful. And this song, I really like it. Moonlight Sonata, the famous one, also. So yeah, you have everything to be a good piano player. And you see here in speed learning, you have exercises to learn scales, chords, many things, but with a quite smart way to present things, with colors, with all the fingerings, so you don't get lost. And you see you have also a way to follow what you have practiced and the number of days. So it's really complete. Okay, I don't want to show you everything, it will be very long. So yeah, it was just a representation of this a bit atypical piano methods. Sometimes even myself classify as online piano method, but it's not really online, it's digital piano method, if you wish, because it will work on the piano, but you can print out also pages if you wish, of course. And yeah, you have this very neat presentation of how you want to learn on the piano. So I really recommend you these methods. So you will find a link in the description. It's an affiliate link, meaning that if you use it to order, I may get a little commission, so it will support this channel, but at no extra cost for you. Okay, it doesn't cost you anything more than the method itself. So I think it's a pretty good deal, and you have also the price is pretty good. You will see $39, so it's really not expensive. And if you are not happy, I think it's 60 days money back guarantee. So really, you have no risk at all. So yeah, just give it a try, and I think you will like it. So yeah, Let me know in the comment if you already try it and if you have any questions about this method, because I really own this, so I can ask questions about that. No problem. So feel free to ask me any question, and I will see you in the next one.